VinFast adalah sebuah merek mobil listrik asal Vietnam yang terus memperluas jaringannya di Asia Tenggara. Hal ini dilakukan setelah berhasil menguasai pasar mobil listrik di kandang mereka, yaitu Vietnam. Di Indonesia sendiri, mobil VinFast sudah berseliweran di jalanan ibu kota Jakarta. Mungkin pertama yang terlintas jika kita sebut nama VinFast adalah taksi mobil listrik Sun SM. Tetapi jangan salah, VinFast sendiri sebenarnya memiliki banyak model mobil listrik lainnya seperti VF3, VF-E34 yang digunakan oleh armada taksi, VF5 dan VF6. Di akhir November tahun ini, tim TV One Newscom mendapatkan kesempatan langka, yaitu dengan berkunjung langsung ke pabrik VinFast yang ada di daerah Haiphong, sekitar 1,5 jam berkendara dari ibu kota Vietnam, Hanoi. Pabrik yang berada di kawasan 335 hektar ini mencetak seluruh mobil listrik VinFast. Saat ini, VinFast mulai mengincar beberapa pasar di negara lain seperti Indonesia, Filipina, dan India. Menariknya, VinFast akan fokus kepada pasar Indonesia di tahun 2026.
I think our strategy for next year will be similar to this year. We focus on, of course, Vietnam is very important. You see our strength in Vietnam. I think this year we target probably about at least 40% of the new sales in Vietnam. We had a Toyota, Hyundai, and that's never ever been done anywhere in the world. So we're very proud that we can achieve it this year. I think we just had October number, and October was ahead of December last year. So we like almost 21,000 vehicles delivered. So that was very very good, and we are on track to achieve 200,000 vehicles to be delivered this year. So it's a good year. So Vietnam is important because it's a base for us to grow, and it's and we can get to profitability soon. Outside of Vietnam, like I mentioned before, the market with high growth and good incentives, like in Asia, are important. So Indonesia, India, Philippines are important to us. We still maintain our strategic markets like US, European markets, still spending in North America, Europeans. We started in the Middle East as well, and probably next year we can expand to other global markets as well. So still the same, but very very strong focus on Indonesia for next year.
Thank you so much, Madam.
Akhir tahun 2025 ini, VinFast rencananya akan meresmikan pabriknya di Indonesia, tepatnya di daerah Subang, Jawa Barat. Dan diharapkan pada bulan Maret 2026, pabrik ini sudah mulai berproduksi. Hal ini juga ditegaskan oleh CEO VinFast Indonesia, Karyanto Harjo Sumarto, atau yang akrab disapa Kerry di Haiphong, Vietnam. Kerry juga menjelaskan bagaimana nantinya ekosistem VinFast ini akan terus berkembang di Indonesia.
Therefore, VinFast see Indonesia as really a potential market, and then entering, let's say, the market just 2 years, less than 2 years, because brand-wise, the VinFast just introduced during EMS 2024 in April. And then we start our first delivery to our customer in July 2024. So if we count it now, just let's say 15 months. Yeah, but within this 15 months, I can say VinFast showing a very good growth, because so far among the 45 automotive brand players in Indonesia, year to date September, based on Gaikindo data, VinFast at the rank number 15. And then among 30 BEV players, we are number 6 at the moment. So this is also increasing our confidence to grow, let's say, local in the country, growing together with the country through the strategy of ecosystem. If Meta asking what's our key strategy to grow, to make sure that we are well accepted, our focus not only just in a good product with the reasonable price, acceptable price, but our focus really on the ecosystem, because that will set VinFast different compared to other brand. Why? Because if we just talk about the product and pricing, this is very dynamic. If we talk about technology and so on, this month maybe brand A can find a new technology, the following month brand B also can follow. In terms of price, everybody always can slice their price at any time. But if we talk about ecosystem, it needs, let's say, long-term commitment and also require very huge investment. And that's what actually VinFast doing right now.
Di pabriknya di Haipong, VinFast ini didukung oleh berbagai teknologi modern, yaitu sesuai standar teknologi 4.0. Pabrik ini terdiri dari 16 bengkel dan membuktikan pesatnya industri otomotif Vietnam.